And so that corner is now back in, tanks are in, plumbed up, engines have been running, all finished. So we're set up ready to just have a little run out. We've not been out for a little while, so this is just a test run up to the Humber Bridge and back. Weather conditions today, not ideal, a little bit overcast, and we've got a bit of a breeze blowing again, from the north. It's from behind us, so it'll push us out of here. But it wasn't forecast to be quite as breezy as this, but anyway, we'll have to see how it goes.
Yeah, start making your way round, Dave.
Okay, received. Okay.
What comes next? I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed. Everything just feels like a test that I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. You lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside.
VTS Humber, Ava Grace over. VTS Humber, Ava Grace, just departing Hull Marina for Humber Bridge, motor cruiser with 2 persons on board, over. That is correct, over. Yeah, Ava Grace standing by on 12, over.
You never jump off the back of a moving boat.
So we're at the Humber Bridge, nice and peaceful apart from the trains. We've got a boat just coming under the bridge now, so he must have left Hull Marina. I'm not sure which one it is, unless it's a visitor. We did have one on visitors today. So we're just getting ready for a run down to Wells. First big run of the season. I'm going to set off in the morning at a very respectable 9 AM. And we've just been down and fueled up, so we've got full tanks. And whilst doing that, I've put some Clear Winner 31 AWD fuel stabiliser in. I don't need to stabilise the fuel, but it acts as an injector cleaner and pump lubricant, so it should help with our fuel economy. And just to make absolutely sure, as I always do, we've added some Clear Winner Purify just to help prevent diesel bug. It's a beautiful day. We're about 45 minutes away from our planned departure, heading to Wells today. But, look at that, it looks gorgeous. Let's hope it's the same as we get out to sea. So today's route will take us out of the Humber to the south. We'll come past DZ number 3 for the exclusion zone for the firing range here, and then just come down through by the coastline, so we'll should get a good view coming down of Mablethorpe and Ingermells and Skegness and Chapel St Leonard's, etc., not in the correct order, and then we'll cross the Wash just to the east of Gibraltar Point and come in straight into the Wells outer marker, and we should be there for around about 1700 hours this afternoon.